Kamiti ino ya andũ 17 iria ikoretwo igitongorio ni muthikabu Mutava Musimi eneanire mendekithia mayo kuri mutongoria wa bururi William Ruto muthenya wa umuthi uria wiranire kugitira wiyathi wa ndini na gukinyaniria kihoto kia Akenya hari kwamukira na gutafania magongona na mahoya o mundu kuringana na witikio wake.
And I'm very happy that you have been diligent as a task force. You've taken time, you've traveled different places, you have received memoranda from different groups and sections and sectors, and you have consolidated the thoughts, the ideas, the perspectives of many Kenyans into this report.
Kuringana na kamiti ino, wigiririki wa kunyabara uruti wira wa ndini ndubati gutigirwo ndini ciki rimwe ria mendekithia maria kamiti ino iheanite ari kumbwo gwa kamiti ya mwanya ya kuramata uruti wira na mihango ya kidini guku bururi-ini.
We will be taking the next steps in making sure that the good work you have done so far translates into what will do two very important things for us. Number one is to protect our freedom of religion in Kenya, to make sure that we safeguard the place of religion in our country, and to also make sure that that freedom is accompanied by protection from those who want to abuse religion for other reasons.
Kamiti ino ithiete na mbere kwendekithia kumbwo kwa mutaratara uria kuhotithia ndini kwirugamirira rungu rwa uthurimi wa thirikari, guthurimwo gwa gicunji kia watho ukoni umemerekia na ukinyaniria na guthurimwo kwa watho ukoni githomo kia muthingi niguo arutwo magathomithio bata wa gwithema witikio mukiruku.
We give you praise.
Kamiti ino oho ni thigatithitie kihoto kia Akenya othe na wiyathi wa o mundu gwicagurira ndini ona kuhanora uguo ikiendekithia gucaria njira nginyaniru cia guthomithia muingi ihoto na wigiririki wa ndini na bata munene wa gwithema ndini cire na mirugamo miruru,
so that we can do what
niguo gukinyaniria mendekithia maya. Kamiti ino oho ni rathondekire riendekithia ria watho wa kuramata ndini wa mwaka wa 2024, watho wa kuramata ndini mwaka wa 2024 na watho wa kuramata ikundi ciothe iria ciekuruhanagia na maundu ma kidini guku bururi-ini.
Framework that you have suggested will be informed by the broad views, perspectives, ideas, suggestions from the people of Kenya, because public participation is now part and parcel of our legislation framework, of our policy framework, and of all government interventions and interactions.
Handu-ini ha KAMITII, njitagwo Ngina wa Wadiro.